Did you know about the superfood in your kitchen that can boost your health? Indeed, it's the humble garlic bulb, often unassumingly tucked away in your pantry. This pungent, flavorful ingredient has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries, across various cultures. It's not just a flavor enhancer for our dishes, but a powerhouse of health benefits, from boosting immunity to promoting heart health. Now, that's an ingredient worth celebrating. Let's delve into the numerous health benefits of this humble superfood. Garlic, nature's flavorful superfood, packs a punch when it comes to boosting health and vitality. This culinary staple is a powerhouse of immune-boosting properties, helping to ward off illnesses like colds and flu. Not only that, but garlic is also rich in antioxidants, defending our bodies against free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. These antioxidants, along with compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, contribute to improved heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing blood pressure, and enhancing blood circulation. Garlic also supports our body's natural detoxification process. It helps our liver eliminate toxins, ensuring our body functions smoothly. Its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties make it a strong defender against infections, promoting our overall wellness. Some studies even suggest that garlic may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly those of the digestive system. It's also beneficial for our bone health, thanks to minerals like manganese and selenium. But the benefits of garlic don't stop there. It aids in digestion by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, reducing bloating and gas. It's even a boon for our skin, protecting it from oxidative damage and promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. Garlic's natural antimicrobial properties may also help shorten the duration of colds and flu. It's shown promise in aiding weight management and alleviating symptoms of allergies and respiratory conditions. And let's not forget its potential benefits for our brain, as it may improve cognitive function and memory. These are just some of the many ways garlic contributes to our health and well-being. Garlic is indeed a superfood that offers a wealth of health benefits. This humble bulb, found in most kitchens, is a powerhouse of nutrition and healing properties. It's known for its immune-boosting capabilities, warding off common ailments like colds and the flu. Packed with antioxidants, garlic helps protect our bodies from oxidative stress and free radicals. It also supports heart health by lowering cholesterol, reducing blood pressure, and improving blood circulation. The anti-inflammatory compounds in garlic work to reduce inflammation, while its detoxifying effects aid in removing harmful toxins. Garlic's antibacterial and antiviral properties help fight infections and promote overall wellness. Some research even suggests a potential role in cancer prevention and bone health. In addition, garlic aids digestion, promotes skin health, offers relief from colds and flu, assists in weight management, alleviates allergies, and contributes to brain health. So, next time you're in your kitchen, remember the superfood that's probably sitting in your pantry: garlic, a simple ingredient with powerful health benefits.